Defining argumentation. 1. Argumentation is the action or process of reasoning systematically in support of an idea, action, or theory. 2. The purpose of argumentation is to change people's point of view or persuade them to accept new points of view. An argument is used to persuade people to a particular action or new behavior. Good arguments are consciously dictate the rhetorical situation or writing position. This means that writers 1. Look at the social or cultural context for the issue. 2. Consider where this written argument might appear or be published. 3. Look at the audience and ask what they already know and believe. 4. Consider the audience's neutral viewpoint and whether if they are likely to listen to both sides before deciding what to believe. More, focus on the better position or claim and support its claim with sufficient evidence. The importance of knowing to argue. Give me liberty, to utter and to argue freely according to conscience about our liberties. John Milton wrote in Thomas More's book Utopian. A resident of the city Utopia explained to readers that one of their conscientious great accomplishments is that they can openly debate and discuss various viewpoints. Each utopian has been trained to discuss and argue respectfully. It is the utopian belief that through argument truth can be found in our society. We know that truth can be subjective, but Thomas More's assertion in his book points out something very interesting. That through argument one can find answer. An argument is not 1. A quarrel involving name, calling, and false testimony instead of concrete, well thought out arguments. 2. An opinionated dispute of ideas without real evidence backing the opinions. 3. Factual information that is not the battle. 4. Run that completely disregards the audience. And 5. Ideas that unfolded by logic or empirical truth. Types of arguments. 1. Deductive arguments. 2. Inductive arguments. Deductive arguments. A deductive argument asserts that the truth of the conclusion is a logical consequence of the premise. Based on the premise, the conclusion follows necessarily with certainty. For example, give premises that A for B and B for C. Then the conclusion follows necessarily that A for C. Deductive arguments are sometimes referred to as true and preserving arguments. Inductive arguments. An inductive arguments assert that the truth of the conclusion is supported by the probability of the premises. Arguments that involve prediction are inductive since the future is uncertain. Uninductive arguments is said to be cogent if it has all true premises. Otherwise, the argument is uncogent. The last one, summary. Preposition means a plan of over-suggested for acceptance or a matter to be dealt with or to purpose a private bargain, or that part of the meaning of the clause or sentence that is contained. Despite change in such things as the voice or illusionary force of the clause. A proposition may be related to other units of its kind through interproportional relation, such as temporal relation and logical relation. An argument is a work of persuasion. You use it to convince others to agree with your claim or viewpoints when they have the both of disagree. While we sometimes think of the arguments as costly and bitter, they don't need to be the why. In fact, and good arguments include calm, reasonable, and fair-minded. Thank you. That's our presentation. Stay safe and healthy.